Yes, we're about to start the show. Just before we start, we need everyone to come a little bit closer. People over there, don't be scared, don't be shy, don't be racist. No. I am vegan, I'm not gonna hurt you. People over there, come a little bit closer. I don't eat no flesh, no. Okay, this is good. This is a crowd. Put your mouth. Come back tomorrow. It's okay. Now, guys, we're gonna try this one more time. We know you can do better than that. We know you have more energy than this. Guys, if you want us to entertain you on a hard concrete, to get